wish to make a complaint. Ah, hello, miss.
What you mean, miss?
I'm sorry, I have a cold. I wish to make a complaint.
Yeah, sure, we're close to
Never
the
mind
lodge.
that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot which I purchased not enough hour ago from this very boutique.
Oh, yes, the Norwegian grain. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, it's just resting.
Look, matey, I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's resting. Norwegian green, remarkable bird. Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. It's stone dead.
No, he's resting.
All right, then. If he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Polly! Time to wake up! I got a lovely fresh cut of fish for you anyway.
He moved.
No, he didn't. That was you hitting the cage.
I did not.
Yes, you did. All right. Hello, Polly! Wakey, wakey! Testing, testing! It's your 9 o'clock wake-up call! Now, that's what they call a dead parrot.
No, he's stunned.
Stunned?
Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian green stunned easily, Major.
Look. I've definitely had enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. And when I bought him not half hour ago from you, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to the fact of it being tired and shagged out following a prolonged squawk.
Well, he's probably pining for the falls.
Pining for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Look, why did he fall flat on his back the moment I took him home?
Norwegian greens prefer keeping on the backs. Yeah, great bird, lovely plumage.
I took the liberty of examining the bird when I took it home, and I discovered the only reason it had been on its perch in the first place was that it had been nailed there.
Well, of course it's been nailed there. If I hadn't nailed that bird down, I would have nuzzled up those bars, Benjamin, Voom.
Boom! This bird wouldn't boom if I put 4,000 volts to it. It's bleeding demised.
He's pining.
He's not pining. He's passed on. This bird has ceased to be. He is no more. He is expired and gone to meet his maker. He's bereft of life, a step. If you hadn't nailed him to the perch, he'd be pushing up the daisies. His metabolical processes are history. He's off the twig, he's kicked the bucket, he's shuffled off the mortal coil, he's run down the curtain and joined the bleeding choir invisible. This is an ex-parrot.
Well, we better replace him then.
We should say so.
Oh, sorry, Squire. I just had a look around the back shop and looks like we're right out of parrots.
Oh, I see. Yes, I see. Oh, I get the picture.
I've got a slug.
Pray, does it talk?
Not really. No.
Well, then it's not their bloody good replacement, is it?
No, of course not.
Where?
Well, I'll be right back. Oh, sorry, sir. I didn't see you there. Have you been helped? Sorry. What'd you come here for again?
What did I come? What did I come here for?
God.